What's up, guys? So today, took a number of trades, starting with this one here, MU. So MU had an opening range breakup, missed it. On the way down, I was hoping it would fall towards the VWAP, thinking this is a reversal. It was, in a way, except that it was very choppy. So if you look at the 5-minute chart here, is just bouncing up and down. So I'm proud of myself in the fact that I let myself get stopped out. $40 lost. It did go down, but I don't want to be in this wave here. I don't know if there's anything that could have prevented that from happening. Let's see, 15 minutes. See if that was at some sort of level. Nope, not at a level. So, yeah, I am just proud that I got stopped out. Here, some over trading going on. I took the opening range breakdown because I saw it was wavering at this level. So I went short on the way up. I covered. And then I went short again. This is where I'm not proud of, is I basically held it on the upswing. When I saw that it could not break VWAP, I added to my position. And then eventually it did go down, so I closed my position for a small gain. It went up again. I saw that it didn't really break this, so I went short again. But as you can see, it started to shift against me. And so when it dropped, I exited, and then I exited again. Except this time it was near the break even. So overall, I had a small loss, a $5 loss. But this should have been a sign for me to have gotten out. You see how it each time that it fell, it formed this wick. So it was actually getting strong. And also the other thing too is if you look at the 5-minute here, well, number one, the daily it popped up, and then here the opening range, it dropped quite significantly. So there typically would be some pullback. So I should have been more cautious here. So a bit of over trading. It is what it is. PG. I think I did a pretty good job with PG here. It popped up. It did go back up a bit. But it didn't really go back to the high at that moment. And then it started to break down. So I watched the stock on the 1 minute and then also the 5-minute. And I was basically making lower lows. So when it opened a new 5-minute low, I went short, and as it dropped, I basically covered, and then it sort of tried to go back up, and I didn't want that to turn on me, so I basically covered, and so that's it, $108. COF, I think this one is, this one I'm also not proud of. So, I went short here. It popped up. I covered. So that's my loss right here. I should have, when it went back up, I should have covered somewhere around here. Should not have waited all the way up to here. That's a 30-cent difference. So should not have done that, number one. So that I had a loss there. And then let's see what did I do? Actually, I covered. Actually, I may have added to my position. So I see what I did. So
I covered for a loss here, and the reason, so basically what I did then is after I covered, I added to the position. So I think I took 500 shares when it popped up, and the reason why I did that was because I saw that it could not break this level. Can I break this level? It was getting strong. As you can see, it's making higher highs on the 5 minute, and so it started off with an opening range breakdown. Shorts have to cover, so I went long, and then I sold towards the VWAP here. When it hit that level, I sold some at the VWAP, I think half of my position, and then as it popped up, and I saw that it couldn't really break this level, I basically exited the remainder of my position. So $340 loss on the first trade of COF, second trade 630. So I kind of balanced it out. Overall, I had a $353 gain minus $48.75 in commissions, 25 tickets. But overall, I'm not really proud of my trades because on COF and on SYF, I took a bit more risk than I would like. So I don't like that, and also the position size was a bit heavy for what I'm trying to practice right now, which is to maximize the profit off of smaller positions. So not really proud of myself for that, but it is what it is, and I'll take it. But I would rather have a smaller profit on smaller sizes than to be here. Anyway, all right.